Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Silverado Stepside, $5,900, Perris, California. This 1977 Chevrolet Silverado Stepside represents one of the most desirable body styles of the square body era, especially with its short bed and classic stepside design. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, it has strong fundamentals, but currently suffers from a fuel delivery issue, requiring starting fluid and likely a fuel pump replacement. The hydraulic suspension system is a standout custom feature, offering front, rear, and side-to-side adjustability, though it is currently inoperative due to dead batteries. With minor surface needs and mechanical sorting, this truck could become an eye-catching summer cruiser with strong collector appeal. Number 2. 1967 Dodge D200 pickup, $13,800, Morris, Illinois. A clean and honest example of a heavy-duty Dodge truck. This 1967 D200 features a 318 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. With just 38,000 miles reported and no rust, it stands out as a well-preserved survivor rather than a full restoration. Long bed trucks from this era are known for durability and workhorse capability. While not a show truck, its originality and condition make it highly appealing to collectors who value authenticity over restoration. Number 3. 1964 Ford F100, $13,000, Kelso, Washington. This 1964 Ford F100 blends classic styling with practical upgrades, including a 351 Windsor V8 and FMX automatic transmission converted to a floor shifter. With power steering, power brakes, and updated interior components, it offers a comfortable driving experience compared to stock examples. The truck runs and drives well, though it retains the characteristic loose steering feel of vintage trucks. It is a solid cruiser with tasteful modifications that enhance usability without sacrificing its vintage charm. Number 4. 1971 Chevrolet C20, $14,900, Seattle, Washington. A highly desirable California truck, this 1971 Chevrolet C20 benefits from a freshly rebuilt drivetrain with only about 800 miles since completion. Equipped with a 350 crate engine and a built 700 R4 automatic transmission, it offers modern reliability and improved highway drivability thanks to overdrive gearing. These upgrades significantly increase its usability compared to stock configurations, making it an excellent choice for someone seeking a classic truck that can be driven regularly with confidence. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet K10 series, $13,950, Burnsville, Minnesota. The 1978 Chevrolet C10 remains one of the most popular classic pickups due to its timeless design and versatility. This example appears to be a solid driver with good potential for further customization or restoration. Known for its independent front suspension and smooth ride, the C10 is often favored over earlier trucks for comfort. With proper care, this truck could easily evolve into a show-quality build or remain a dependable weekend cruiser. Number 6. 1976 Ford F100 Custom, $13,400, Sacramento, California. This 1976 Ford F100 Custom is powered by an inline-six engine, a configuration praised for its durability and simplicity. With 176,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it a practical classic truck. California trucks are often sought after due to minimal rust, and this example benefits from that advantage. While not as powerful as V8-equipped models, the inline-six provides reliability and ease of maintenance, making it a solid entry-level classic. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet 4xD pickup, $13,500, Mesa, Arizona. A well-equipped and rust-free 1987 Chevrolet four-wheel drive truck, this example features a fuel-injected 350 V8 paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. With only 83,530 miles, it stands out as a relatively low-mileage survivor. The inclusion of air conditioning, power features, and locking hubs enhances its practicality. These late square body trucks are increasingly collectible, especially when maintained in original condition with modern conveniences intact. Number 8. 1965 Chevrolet El Camino, $19,990, Santa Ynez, California. This 1965 El Camino has been extensively modernized with a 5.3-liter VORTEC V8 from the LS engine family, paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. It combines classic styling with modern performance, reliability, and comfort features such as power windows and air conditioning. Suspension and steering upgrades further improve drivability. While it has minor cosmetic imperfections, this Restomod is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a classic vehicle with contemporary performance. Number 9. 1960 Ford F250, $16,995, Los Angeles, California. A very clean and well-maintained example, this 1960 Ford F250 offers classic styling with dependable performance. Although the listing mentions a 6-cylinder engine, it delivers reliable operation and ease of maintenance. The truck's excellent body condition and strong mechanicals make it a standout among early 1960s pickups. These trucks are increasingly valued for their simplicity and rugged construction. Number 10. 1971 Chevrolet K10 4x4, $19,000, Scotts Valley, California. This 1971 Chevrolet K10 is a highly desirable four-wheel drive model with a 350 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Being a one-owner truck with 170,000 original miles adds to its authenticity and collector appeal. The K10 platform is well known for its off-road capability and rugged design. While in fair condition, its originality makes it an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. Number 11. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Shotbed Fleetside, $20,000, South Chico, California. The 1972 model year marks the end of the highly sought-after Action Line generation. This short bed Fleetside example is particularly desirable due to its stance and configuration. Equipped with a small block 350 V8 and a recently rebuilt transmission, it offers strong performance. Minor surface rust is present, but not structural. With its lowered setup and fresh components, this truck blends classic style with a custom street presence. Number 12, 1999 Ford F150 pickup, $500, Roberts Creek, British Columbia. Although newer than traditional classics, this 1999 Ford F150 is offered as a salvage project due to engine issues. The 4.2-liter V6 has a weak cylinder, resulting in low compression and a non-running condition. Despite this, it represents an extremely affordable entry point for someone willing to perform engine repairs or use it as a parts vehicle. Its practicality and prior usability make it a viable budget project. Number 13, 1980 Ford Ranger F350 dually, $20,000, Yuma, Arizona. This 1980 Ford F350 dually is a well-restored and upgraded heavy-duty truck featuring a rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8 engine. With updated suspension, cooling system, and modern interior features, it offers both capability and comfort. The dually configuration enhances towing stability, making it ideal for hauling. Its excellent cosmetic and mechanical condition positions it as a premium example in the heavy-duty classic truck market. Number 14, 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, $16,500, Hercules, California. This 1986 Chevrolet Silverado has been upgraded with a modern 5.3-liter engine, significantly improving performance and reliability. With a new dashboard and updated components, it is close to completion as a Restomod project. The truck runs well and has low mileage on the engine, though it still requires paintwork. Square body Chevrolets remain highly desirable, and this example offers a strong foundation for a finished custom build. Number 15, 1957 Studebaker pickup, $23,500, Tucson, Arizona. A highly specialized build, this 1957 Studebaker pickup has been transformed into a drag racing machine. Powered by a 408 cubic inch LS-based engine and paired with a race-built Turbo 400 transmission, it delivers impressive quarter-mile performance of 11.0 seconds at 120 miles per hour. The Chrysler rear end with 4.56 gears further emphasizes its racing focus. While not a traditional street classic, it represents a unique and powerful example of vintage body meets modern performance engineering.